Lightning L-Drago, and Burn Fireblaze. Burn Fireblaze has a metal-tipped performance tip. L-Drago, its fusion wheel and energy ring are made specifically so that the fusion energy ring can be placed in a different position so that the plastic on the energy ring sticks out slightly farther and collides against the other bay instead of just the fusion wheel, it's called attack mode. I'm just going to have it in regular mode right now. Have it go up against Fireblaze. Now I'm going to switch the energy ring around, put it in attack mode. Sticks out slightly farther. And put it up against Burn Fireblaze. Not too big of a difference, but there is slight change in attack power.